A lot of people talk about lead magnets. What are lead magnets? How exactly it helps in your marketing activities? See, it's very simple and important as well to understand that marketing is driven by offers. You need to have certain offer that you can promote. A lead magnet, from marketing perspective, if you look at a normal lead magnet, is something that attracts people to fill in their details or to give their data or to buy your product. So a lead magnet could be an ebook that people can download. A lead magnet could be a video like this that you would watch on a specific platform where you have to fill in the details, or it could be anything or any offers, any giveaways, coupons, or anything that people would like to avail while they are giving something, while they have to, so now these lead magnets is actually nothing but a landing page. If you technically speaking, lead magnet is nothing but a landing page that has an amazing offer that people can't refuse, and people would simply go and fill in the details so that you get the data of those people or those customers. That's what lead magnet is. It's very simple to implement. You can implement lead magnet with any marketing automation tool or any funnel driven tool, any website that helps you to create funnels. For an example, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, or even Kajabi. You can create a lead magnet using a simple HubSpot landing page. HubSpot is an amazing platform. You can definitely utilize that. You can use any platform. What exactly do you need to build a lead magnet? A compelling offer, an amazing offer that people can't refuse, something that is so amazing. 20 strategies that will help you to drive leads for your business. Proven methods. This is an example. People will come rushing for it, people will come for it, and they will try and fill in the details, and they will try to learn from that. That's an example of a lead magnet. It could be anything. It could be like a 50% voucher if you fill in your details. You get a voucher and you fill in your details. It could be a contest where people have to answer a question. It could be a survey where people have to respond to certain queries. It could be anything. All you have to do is first understand your services, understand your USPs, connect it with the problems of the consumers, create an amazing offer, put it on a landing page, put up a form, and your lead magnet is ready. So no jargons. I mean, it's simplified. Here at G2M Digital, we try and make sure that digital marketing looks very simple to you, and we provide simplified solutions that actually helps you to drive business objectives. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching. We have a lot more content to come.